Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Bedroom Comfort. What if you could instantly maximize your bathroom storage without sacrificing style, with the Lifewit floating shelves for bathroom being a game changer in this space? This innovative product is a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their bathroom experience. As a well-reviewed and popular choice among many customers, it's clear that the Lifewit floating shelves for bathroom have struck a chord with those seeking a convenient and aesthetically pleasing storage solution. One of the standout features of this product is its space-saving design, making full use of wall space to store a variety of items, from perfumes and makeup to skincare and hair products. The smooth texture of the shelves and the soft glow of the LED lights create a soothing ambience, perfect for a relaxing bathroom routine. The ease of setup is also noteworthy, with pre-drilled holes and detailed instructions making installation a breeze, allowing you to enjoy your newly organized space in no time. The versatility of the Lifewit floating shelves for bathroom is another significant advantage, as they can be installed not only in the bathroom but also in other areas of the home, such as the bedroom or living room, providing extra storage and adding a decorative touch to any room. The shelves are also incredibly easy to clean, with a simple wipe of a microfiber cloth being all that's needed to keep them looking their best. In real-life use, these shelves have proven to be a valuable addition to any bathroom, providing a convenient and stylish way to keep essentials within reach. The fact that they can be installed in just a few minutes, with minimal effort required, makes them a superior choice to other storage solutions on the market. With the Lifewit floating shelves for bathroom, you can create a more organized, more relaxing, and more enjoyable bathroom experience, and that's why I highly recommend giving them a try. As always, links in the description. 1. Have a nice day. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.